Hi friends, welcome back. So today we are watching this amazing video. Its title is CISF Ninja Commandos Special Security Group in Action. So that is fantastic. And anything related to defense, whichever armed service it might be, we are always eager to watch those guys for sure. And I'm sure you would also love this video. But yes, friends, before we go ahead and start watching this video, if you're new to the channel, watching us for the first time, and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notifications of all our videos as soon as we upload them. And after watching today's video, if you like it, then click the like button and share the video with your friends and family. So okay friends, let's go ahead and watch this video. Use a headphone.
Yeah,
Oh, how many were there?
yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the option. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. That's right, I swear to God that I could jump and grow.
Oh,
I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Woo! You saw that?
That's how
Wow!
I know that I'm unstoppable.
Drills.
Yeah,
So those are the bad guys.
I don't
Amazing
care what
drills.
they all say.
Ooh!
I'ma do this thing my way. Been grinding
good,
hard
man.
on it all day. We work hard, then we all play. I'm addicted to the grind, man. So I refuse to waste time, man. One day it all will be fine, man. Gotta commit to the grind. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions.
Sometimes I think that
Oh,
I'm
they've
unstoppable.
hijacked the bus.
Ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could jump and grow. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping.
What did you? Oh my gosh!
I know that I'm unstoppable.
Good man.
That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
In front. Ooh, just with a rope. So friends, wasn't that fantastic? Oh my gosh, I didn't know that they had these kind of rehearsals which we people could see. And this was just fantastic. And the best part was actually Modi ji was also sitting there and observing this
Maybe
drill.
it was just a photo of Mr. Modi.
No, no, no. They were actually doing their drill, and Mr. Modi was there and he was watching this drill actually happening. And my gosh, this was much, much more, I should say, fantastic than any movies that we have seen. And remember, guys, in movies, they actually break it into parts and then they show it. It can't happen in real life like they were. But here, this was just fantastic. The way they were actually jumping inside a moving car through the window. And not only that, they were in a jeep, which is moving. And then there's a bus, which is again moving. And from that moving jeep, they are jumping into that moving bus through the window of the bus. Oh my gosh, This was just unbelievable. It does remind me of, I think, a scene, either it was in War movie or in Commando 3. I don't remember which one out of those two was, but in their trailer we saw one of those kind of stunts and we were amazed, where he went through the window or something of the car, and I was like, oh, what a fantastic thing. But look at this, they just blew that kind of thing away. It was, I mean, that was nothing as compared to what they were doing. So I guess they probably saw this in action and got the idea to do that in the movie. And those were like stunts, and stunt people do it. They do different number of retakes and stuff, and there is no danger as such involved. But these real heroes, there is danger involved. They're doing it and they have to be successful in one go. They have to go through that window, otherwise they'll get injured, and the people that they have to save might lose their lives because they did not do their jobs correctly. But what a fantastic thing. And there were so many of them and so fast, it was difficult. So this was actually showing drills of different scenarios that could happen. Like if a bus is hijacked, and they did show some dead bodies hanging out of the window also of the bus to show that this is what can happen. Then in that case, what do they do? The CISF does, what actions they take. And then they showed another scenario where a VIP was going and there was some kind of terrorist attack, it looks like. And then how quickly they put the VIP or the political leader or whoever is inside the car. And then they have something in front, a bomb blast, and they have to turn, and they did such a fantastic turn, guys. I mean, it was a total 180-degree turn, and they go back, and then they have attacks from other terrorist groups who are coming in their jeeps, and then how they take over those people. I mean, they actually they broke the glasses. I mean, the front windshield, the windows and everything, and they got in and they caught those culprits. It was amazing. There were so many amazing things that they showed. Oh my gosh, this gave me goosebumps, guys, for sure. Fantastic video.
Right. I mean, this video was being fast forwarded. So
But it
was
still
not-
was amazing.
Yeah. So it was not like things were happening at that pace, but they had fast forwarded it so that quickly they could show all these drills. So obviously, any country's forces will need to practice a lot, and there's an art behind everything. They have obviously documented all this stuff step by step. This is a step one, step two. They would have different kind of gear, which means different kind of equipment, different kind of clothing, different kind of shoes, different kind of gloves, and different kind of ropes. So everything is unique and specifically made to do this. And when you go for training, I'm sure they are training in steps, and then everything is coming together. The way they were coming out of the car, and the way they were, jumping inside the window, the way they were breaking the windshield, and the way they were maneuvering the cars, and it looked like an ambassador, and maybe some modified version of the ambassador looking like a little bit wider or something. So I'm sure if the country manufactures their own cars, they can certainly modify it to make it better. And so it was a good way of showing a lot of hard work that goes in. And I'm sure habit is the key, practice is the key. So people who are selected for this job, I'm sure early morning when they get up, they go and do the drills. They do some part of the drill or something on a daily basis to such a degree that it becomes, as they say, muscle memory. If anybody has done martial arts, they will know what muscle memory is. That without thinking, you immediately react in that fashion. You do the punches, you do the moves without thinking. So similarly, they were doing this with ease because they have been doing it mostly every day. Every day they are doing some part of the skill, some part of the drill. So they are very skilled in this. That's their regular routine. They're seeing the bombs being blasted, they're looking at the cars being reversed, they're breaking into windshields on a daily basis. So when you do this every day, it becomes a piece of cake for you, where your heartbeat does not rise. This looks normal to you. A normal person would panic and run away. So I think that's the same thing in olden times. You used to see that the animals that used to go in the war, like the horses and the elephants, they were all trained to deal with lot of noise, bombs, and the vision. That's why there was restricted vision is there, and their techniques in which to control the animals, and animals are trained in such a fashion so that this looks normal to them. So similarly, with so much practice they are doing, and this is something that all countries to some degree have to do. And but the beauty of this is that every country is going to think about how to improve their skills, what to do more, what to say, hey, more, how could the enemy attack you in different ways. So that's why you have the, in America you have CIA, similarly in India you have the RAW, and there are a lot of brainy people in these organizations who are really thinking from where the threat could come and what they need to do, and they everybody's thinking years ahead. That's the reason ISRO is also trying to send satellites and everything. So there's a lot of research that occurs not just on the activities in your country but all over the world, right? Every country has a spy network where all the people all the world, and they are scanning the technology of others, the advancement of others, bringing that information, and then seeing how to beat it. So a very good video, and of course they could only show things that can be publicly shown, which are like common knowledge, right? And they know that all countries basically know these things, so that is what is being shown. But this is just a glimpse. The guy who is going obviously will be working on super secret techniques, clothing, everything will be super secret, where the actual core competences, and they are competing with different countries. And many times countries also have what you see, the practices, that we are having a drill with American soldiers, we are having a drill with Japanese soldiers. So each countries among themselves do these exercises and combat exercises where they are trying to beat the other party and to some degree show their skill level, how quickly you can go up the rope, how quickly you can come. So they are, and that is the reason some of the other countries then figure out, okay, their army is pretty strong, their navy is pretty strong, and that's the reason there's a lot of constraint that goes in. Like US and Russia, they pretty much are aware of each other's capabilities, so they use super caution that, hey, we don't want to get in conflict with them because the casualties on both the sides are going to be heavy. You're not fighting some puny little people. They are as advanced as you are, so there's a lot of caution, and that is the purpose, sole purpose of exercises. So and that also brings some kind of respect, as recently Mr. Trump said that we are doing a lot of military exercises with India, and when India and US are doing these exercises, they are gauging the capability of each other, who can quickly do that naval exercises, any exercises. Although some of the equipment is fake, like firing, and some is real, but they quickly can ascertain how much skill the other party has. And once you look at the other's capabilities, then of course you try to immediately do better, to say at par, and then get some respect. So fantastic video, very good to see. And if these more people see these videos, then they will really understand that, hey, there are so many kids who may say, this is the kind of work that I like. They will say, this is the kind of work I really like and I would like to do that. Although it is a kind of daredevil kind of job where you are putting your life at risk. But many people come from the thought that it is not the length of the life that's important, is the quality of the life. So they may say, okay, my life may or may not be big, and that is not in my hands anyway. It is in God's hand. People die for all sorts of reasons. Nobody can control that. So therefore people can say, hey, I want to go into this kind of field, I like it, and so forth. So very good video.
Yes, friends. And even though he said that they do not show the actual, detailed stuff, even just this little bit of glimpse was a wow one for us. So just imagine if this is wow, then what they actually are doing in real life, which they are not able to show us, the common people. So fantastic video. I really enjoyed watching it, and I was amazed. My eyes were wide open throughout this thing. It was such a fantastic video, guys. So we hope you enjoyed watching this video too with us. We'll take your leave and we'll come back again in another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye!